When looking for a car accident attorney in Texas, you probably find yourself a little frustrated. With all of the car accident websites put up by lawyers and law firms, not to mention the hundreds of lawyer referral websites that are spending millions of dollars to get good search engine placement. You would think that it might be just a little easier than it is to get good, useful information about Texas automobile accident claims. Information a little more in depth than the typical help the injured at the scene at don't talk to anyone but the police. The TV lawyers shout, hire us right now. We say, what's the rush? That's why we created our free Texas accident report that you can get instantly just by completing the form at the bottom of this page. How about some straightforward information on insurance company tactics and insurance settlements in Texas? How to find the best Texas automobile accident attorney for your case, and when you're better off not hiring an attorney at all. What about fatal Texas car accident insurance claims? Pain and suffering for your injuries in Texas. Our laws are not the same as other states. How negligence claims are handled in Texas. Knowing your rights. Lost work, wages, school, or even losing your job because of the crash. Fixing or replacing your car, and will the insurance pay for a rental? Can pain and suffering be calculated? And what is a fair amount of compensation for a bodily injury? How does health insurance subrogation work? Are Whiplash car accident settlements different from other insurance settlements? Sadly, most lawyer advertising does little more than shout, "We are aggressive," or "We care for you," or "Free consultation." By the way, what's so special about a free consultation in an injury case? Everyone does that. This almost total lack of useful information is what drove me to write this free Texas accident report, the 7 deadly sins that can wreck your auto accident case. Before you hire a lawyer or talk to the insurance company, you should order and read our free Texas accident report. There's absolutely no obligation, and obviously no attorney-client relationship is formed when you request our report. This free Texas accident report is packed with useful information. I wrote it because I was sick and tired of people giving information to the insurance company before they had access to good, solid legal information about how Texas personal injury claims are handled. You see, with the insurance companies, it's usually a one-way street. They want your information, but they won't give you any useful, balanced information. I was also very concerned that for most people, information like this was not available without calling a lawyer and making an appointment. Even then, I felt that many people were not getting or understanding the information they really need to learn both how to handle the insurance company and how to hire the right lawyer for their case. Read our book without any legal obligation. You will learn why a quick settlement can be a giant mistake, what service provided by some lawyers can be catastrophic to your claim, what document you should never sign for an insurance company, how, even if you have been involved in prior accidents, you can prevent your past from coming back to haunt you. How to find out if your lawyer carries malpractice insurance. Not all do. What's really involved in a lawsuit? It's no picnic and it's no lottery. Why your accident lawyer may need to be an expert in ERISA. What fees and costs you can expect to pay in a lawsuit. What questions to ask to find your lawyer's track record. The huge fees some lawyers earn just by advertising for cases and referring those cases to other law firms. And much, much more. To order your free copy of this valuable resource, simply fill in the form below.